Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. QNT shows still some further weakness despite Bitcoin actually showing some short-term strength. So QNT continues its downside trajectory as suggested, but it's still fighting with this 84, 85 US dollar support level. So we're going to take a look at that in a minute. Overall, anybody who's not familiar with our let's say daily chart scenario, we have a possible wave 1 to the upside into the October 22 highs, and since then it has just been dropping in a wave 2 correction. For me, that looks more like a corrective structure to the downside here, but I don't like how stretched out it is and how boring and slow it's moving. Okay, not great. So I'm still watching the $80 level as next ideal target. Below that level, I've got the $60 level. There are two Fibonacci levels there that I think should be relevant. And this is the area we've been focusing on for the last few months. And the price seems to be getting there finally. So I am watching for reversal patterns. I have been watching for reversal patterns for a while, but the only reason why we've been doing it for a while is that the price is just not moving. It's just been slow motion really. So any move here takes ages at the moment, at least. And you can imagine, QNT, when it goes quickly. At least it has been like that in the past. No guarantee it will be like that in the future, but it's just an observation from the past. And the rallies take just a few weeks, but the corrections take, a year basically. So horrible. I mean, it's just crazy. This has been a year now, but it's absolutely crazy. So it's time to be ready for potentially the next move up, but I can tell you that I haven't got any evidence the move up has started. So all I can really do is to point out where we should have a chance to see a reaction and what the levels are that need to hold in order to keep the currently bullish scenario alive. And what I certainly want to avoid is a break below the $60 level. That's a level that if that is crossed, we would have to expect new bear market lows, and then it wouldn't look good for QNT. But at the moment, it's coming down in slow motion. It's still supposed to do another low. Okay, at least that would be ideal because I don't see a clearly bullish setup from here. It also looks as if it wants to make that one more low, but it's really holding support very well. It's a descending triangle here though. QNT did something here as well. It just didn't want to drop. And when it then, for the first time, dropped below support, which it did here on 13th of October, Friday the 13th, QNT lost support. That was basically the start. And then, it made a lower high here as well. And now it could be coming down. Let's see. But, see another bullish engulfing not bullish, bearish engulfing candle here. Nothing major, but... I mean, the let's say $84 level is here. No, it's not 84, it's $84.70 roughly. That's the key support. So if we get a sustained break below that, it should take us down to 80. And then we will watch for a reaction there. My view is that we are currently moving down in some kind of a diagonal structure. This wave 4 is too high to be reliable, so it could be something else. Could even be that this third wave is still running and we're extending a little lower. That's fine, that's possible. Because if that third wave is running, then this was just an A, B, C. So we could now be coming down a C wave, but it's also not very strong. So we have to be flexible with regards to the micro count. I can just tell you that this is not a bullish reversal pattern. At least it's not very evident in the chart. So we are still focused on the lower, but we're getting closer and closer and closer. And this move here should also nearly be over, and we should start the next move down. However, a break above the descending trend line could indicate something bullish, especially if we break above the last wave 4 high above $93 basically. But until that happens, the focus has to be on lower. And even then, it would just be a first early indication that something bullish is going on. Okay, that's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.